Okay, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to import DWG files that we create in AutoCAD 2007 into Google SketchUp. So what we do is go over to the Start button, All Programs, and we drag up to Google SketchUp. And one of the things it's going to ask you to choose a template. If you did what you were supposed to do, you are going to be using the architectural, and we start using SketchUp, which should then open up to this image here. You have a figure. Okay, this is a typical 6-foot high figure, which will then mean that the room will be whatever number of feet it is. What we're going to do is, because we are not using a SketchUp document, we're going to actually be importing a file from our folder, and you're going to choose a DXF file or DWG file, which is what we've been using. Okay, there are other different files that you can import, which is kind of helpful. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to bring in room 118 with furniture, finished, and say open. And it brings it in, and it looks basically exactly like this room. You can see the doors here in the center. Okay, our gentleman is standing over there near the bookshelf. All right, and that is basically how you bring it in. One thing that you can do, if you like, if you choose up here, click up here this button, which is the rotate, and put this button on the floor, you can click on the floor and then move that around, and it will allow you to actually rotate the room around so you can see the room from different angles. Okay, very cool, very interesting. One thing we're going to need to learn how to do when we build our furniture is make furniture that will come in solid. You know, it's the hex table and the long tables have see-through parts. But other than that, it imports extremely well into SketchUp. So that's the lesson. That's how we're going to get started.